It's the Weather Xtreme video, the afternoon edition for Tuesday, May 12th. I'm James Spann. Nice day tomorrow. Moisture comes back Thursday. Some rain at times over the weekend. How much and who gets what? Let's go in there and talk about it. Big picture. You can see that we have a new trough developing over the west coast, and that'll be providing more severe weather for parts of the southern plains by Friday and Saturday. And around here, we still have ridging extending in from the Gulf, but drier air is filtering in from the north at the surface. That's the radar at 2:31, showing hardly anything out there. And the dew points will be coming down. Tomorrow should be a nice day with lower humidity. Temperatures upper 70s, low 80s. Birmingham 79, Anniston 80. The warm spots up north, Huntsville and Fort Payne, they both got 81, where they've seen a bit more sunshine so far. West of the state, flash flood watches where they could really use the rain. Parts of central and west Texas up into Oklahoma. In terms of severe weather, there are 4 marginal risks. None of those are close to us for the rest of today and tonight. Tomorrow, the standard slight risk over parts of South Texas. Day 3, which is Thursday, no severe weather expected. Day 4, which is Friday, with that new trough, a risk of severe weather across the Great Plains. And Saturday, day 5, could be very active for Oklahoma, Kansas, and Nebraska. And again, as that big trough sets up over the western states and conditions become favorable for severe weather. But we don't expect any severe weather here on an organized basis for the next 7 days at least, which is good. Big rains across the nation's heartland. Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, up into parts of the upper Midwest. Rain amounts here for the next 5 days should be close to 1 inch, and this is valid through Sunday morning. All right, model fans, here we go. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run. And you can see a troughing moving into the west coast, ridging here. Down below that, everything looks great tomorrow. Should be a beautiful day, sunny, not as humid. Afternoon highs, I'd say low 80s, but the dew points will drop in the 40s. And I'm telling you, not many days left with dew points in the 40s before that long, hot summer gets here. Thursday, the moisture starts to come back. We'll mention the chance of a shower by afternoon, although this run is suggesting that a pretty decent part of the day should be dry. We'll call it partly sunny with low or maybe mid-80s on Thursday, and a chance of an afternoon shower, but again, nothing too widespread. Rain will increase Friday. We'll forecast a good chance of occasional showers and storms. The sky cloudy, will be in the 70s all day because of the clouds and showers. We note the deep surface low over northeast Colorado, 998 millibars, with a possible severe weather setup across the Great Plains. Saturday, that surface low goes nowhere, and again, severe weather is likely for parts of Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas. And around here, we stay in a soupy, moist air mass. And as we've talked about the last few days, as you're planning out your weekend, no, it's not going to rain the entire time. The sun might peek out, but no doubt it could rain at any time Saturday or Sunday. This is Sunday, as we stay in that moist air mass. Highs for the weekend should be mostly in the low 80s. And again, just if you got something planned outdoors, not a total washout, but take the rain gear. Monday of next week, no change. Very moist air. A cold front well to the north and west of the state. And this is Tuesday. Again, we've got ridging here across the deep south. The front north of us really having a hard time pushing through here. So, again, at least scattered, mostly afternoon showers and storms Monday and Tuesday of next week. And again, low 80s are likely. This is the end of the forecast, the end of next week, Friday, May 22nd. Another deep upper low over the southwest. We've still got ridging here, and that looks pretty dry. So you can see, again, we see no sign of any severe weather issues here for at least the next 10 days. And we're running out of time. You know, tornado season pretty much wraps up at the end of May. Temperatures off the ensembles. A little cooler next few days, but we go back up in the upper 80s to near 90 later in the month. And you can see that persistent ridge should keep temperatures above average in the east. Persistent trough means below average temperatures back in the southwest part of the United States. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, not that early. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.